Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 174 Walker Lake, Ontario Road in Hilton.
This is a spectacular waterfront nature's paradise with a totally updated home.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy updated waterfront living with a designer white and bright kitchen. With custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops with a center island breakfast bar. Open to the dining room with crown molding, a bar area or coffee station, and a bay window. And a spacious living room with great natural light and a gas fireplace, all with beautiful hardwood floors, scenic pond views, and an adjacent updated powder room. While the upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors and an updated full bathroom, including an owner's bedroom with a spacious double closet. This is the best way to entertain with a finished lower level featuring custom wood walls with built-ins and a wood-burning fireplace.
This is a little slice of heaven. With an entertainment-sized deck, overlooking the sprawling yard with a fire pit, a sitting area, and a dock on Badge Pond, with approximately 176 feet of pristine waterfront. This home has a premier location located at the end of a private drive on Badge Pond, with easy access to everything this area has to offer. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Nearby is beautiful Hamlin Beach State Park. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 174 Walker Lake, Ontario Road in Hilton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!